friends. You know, books are our best friends. So that's why I ordered a pack of 12 sets of my favorite series, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. The author is Jeff Kinney. You must try these all books. They're my favorite. So let's introduce the books to you. So this is from 1 to 12. This is called Roderick Rules. This is the first series of Diary of a Wimpy Kid. This is the Long Haul. And this is the Last Straw. This is Double Down. This is the third wheel. There are many books like this, so you should also try. Bye bye.